Hey friends, if DHCP is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is obviously to restart the DHCP client service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open the services menu. Scroll down to the DHCP client service. Right click on it and select restart to restart the service. Now I won't click on it because it will disconnect my internet temporarily, but you have to click on restart. The second solution is to run the network adapter troubleshooter. How do we do this? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the network adapter troubleshooter. The third solution is to check if DHCP is even enabled on your system or not. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right click on the active network and then select this option here, which is status. Click on details and there is an option for DHCP enabled. Is it yes or is it no? If it's no, then it means that DHCP is not enabled at the first place. You can also use Google's DNS to solve the problem. How? Press the Windows key and the R button together, ncpa.cpl, hit enter. Right click on the active network connection, properties, double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure that for IP address it's selected that obtain an IP address automatically, but for DNS it's selected that use the following DNS server address. The preferred one is 8.8.8.8 and the alternative one should be 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and it will solve the problem. And obviously the last option is to update the network adapter drivers just in case they're obsolete. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. In the device manager window, expand the list of network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek network adapter, update drivers, and then I'll show you update driver and search automatically for drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to our channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could improve further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.